Since driving is my passion, today I thought of taking you all on a drive. Today I am going to take you all on a four-wheeler. I am going to drive a very premium, luxurious sedan type of a car from the house of Toyota. I suppose you all must have guessed it. Yes, I am going to ride Toyota Camry. So this is Toyota Camry in which I am going to drive you all through, and you will all come for a drive with me through my YouTube channel Adventures with Tars. This is a hybrid car, meaning petrol cum electrical car from the house of Toyota. This blue lining on the badge of Toyota shows that this is a hybrid car. They have put this blue color specially because they wanted to highlight, this is their USP, that this is a hybrid car, and therefore it is maintained throughout the car, where you can also see this hybrid badge here on the side, and the same hybrid badge they have taken on the rear of the car. I will show you. You can see here there is a hybrid badge here and this blue lining, which is again indication of a hybrid car. This is a very fuel economic car and it is run on battery as well as on petrol. As you can see, I have opened the bonnet, and what you see here, this is the battery part of the car, and here you have this petrol engine. It has a very good synergy where it shifts from petrol to battery and battery to petrol as per its own convenience, depending on the speed of the car, depending on the power the battery is holding at the moment. So it works in coordination with each other. It's like a teamwork. They cooperate with each other, and therefore it becomes a very fuel economic car. At the same time, I will show you the boot of the car. The boot also is quite huge. You can see the boot of the car. The boot is so huge, it can accommodate huge suitcases very comfortably. And also what you see here, that is the battery part of the car. Now we have seen lot of the exterior of the car, and I am just waiting to take the driving seat and take you all along with me. So come on, let's get into the car. You can see the interior of the car. Here you can see the seat control for two people. It can be customized and saved. So the moment you get into the car, these features will automatically set in. And you have all these controls which are normally there in all the cars. You have this front and back movement, up and down movement of the seat. Then you have this special cushioning where you get the backrest cushioned as per the driver's convenience. Put on the car, so you see this driving wheel is moving forward on its own as per the customized arrangement made already. And then you have here, if you want to again position the steering wheel, then you have this arrangement here where you can move it forward, backward and upward and downward. So this is how you can arrange the position as per the driver's position. This is an automatic car. So you have two pedals here. This is brake pedal and this is acceleration pedal. So when you have, I will put off the car once again and show you. See the things, the steering wheel moved back, and now when I have to put on, I have to press the brake down there and I have to put the power on. Now the engine has begun, and I am sure you all have not heard the noise or sound of engine starting, because this is a completely noiseless car. When you drive, there is no tire noise, there is no wind noise. The name Camry is derived from a Japanese word kenmuri, which really means a crown. It has been a naming tradition of Toyota, which originally started with Toyota Crown, and then Toyota Corona, Toyota Tiara, Toyota Corolla, and then Toyota Camry. All of these mean a crown. I hope you all enjoyed the drive as much as I have. And now once inside the car, you can see for this segment of a car, the seats are quite comfortable and cushioned. The back seats also can be reclined by 8 degrees. For safety features, you have here 7 airbags, then there is a traction control, you have ABS system, and if you are talking about music system, this has a JBL system. I will just play it for you. This is a stereophonic JBL system. This has 3-zone climate control, so it can be controlled from the front, as well as you have an arrangement at the back, so you can have the 3rd zone running in the background also. So guys, I suppose you have enjoyed this drive through in the car, all about the car, inside the car, outside the car. I have tried to cover every part of the car, and if you are looking out for a car in this segment, this is a very good family car out there in the market. Toyota has this very economic car. I am sure if you do research on this, probably you will end up buying this premium luxurious car at this price. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.